Ford Fiesta 2008 to 2019 1.6 engine. The thermostat is located at the front on the left side of the engine, under the intake manifold. To replace it, drain the coolant, remove two hoses, unscrew 4 mounting bolts and replace the thermostat with a new one.